Officer Page with the Lakeville Police Department. I've been working for Lakeville now for 4 years, 6 years experience altogether, coming from my last agency, the Carver County Sheriff's Office. Tonight we're assigned to patrol, which is going to be Area 7, which is if you just take the city, cut a line right down the middle, and I'm just everything west in the city there. With us being patrol, pretty much what I'm looking for is going to be any traffic violations. How you doing tonight, man?
Good, sir. How you doing?
Good. Officer Page, Lakeville Police Department. Reason to stop you is for your headlight that you have out.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why we didn't stop when I lit you up back there?
I was trying to do it safely so you'd have to get in traffic around. I was just trying to get out of the way of one of the cars. Like that.
No, I got you. I do respect that, but at the end of the day, man, if I'm lighting you up, that's where I'm feeling I'm the most safe at to stop.
Okay.
Because I don't know what our intent is if we're coming from here.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you're fleeing from me. I don't know what your intent is. So it's
for that.
no, it's all good. You have your license with your proof of insurance? Yeah. So if you're getting pulled over, the best place to stop is going to be pulling over to the right. You want to go to your right. We're lighting you up in that specific area because we feel that that's the safest place for the traffic stop to be conducted, safest place for us to be, safest place for you to be. Yeah, hello. Hi, Officer Page, Lakeville Police Department. Reason I'm stopping you, man, you have no lights on the car. Do you have your driver's license and your proof of insurance? Reason we stopped that last car there was he didn't have any lights on. Only had his running lights on, which is a pretty common thing. When I stopped him, he let me know it was his brother's car. Again, pretty common that driving someone else's car, they're not going to know where the lights are. So made sure he got his lights on for me and sent him on his way. No ticket for him. Grew up in Bloomington, grew up in Lakeville, so I've been here a ton growing up. So to be able to come back and give back to the community to me was the biggest part to me, to be able to help the community that I grew up in and to see the city grow as much as it has. So that's a lot of the reason why I became a police officer.